So this is how to duplicate page in WordPress, and it's way simpler than manually copying everything like most people do. WordPress doesn't give you a duplicate button by default, which honestly seems like something they should have built in by now. You need to grab a plugin first, go to your dashboard, hit plugins, then add new. Search for duplicate page, and you'll get a bunch of results. I always go with duplicate page and post because it just works. 3 million people use it, so it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Install it, activate it, then head back to your pages section. Here's where it gets interesting. Hover over any page, and boom, new options show up underneath the title. Click duplicate this, and watch it copy everything instantly. Your text, images, layouts, even those custom tweaks you spent forever getting right. The copy shows up with the same name, but as a draft, which actually makes sense since you probably want to change something before making it live. Since it's a draft, visitors can't see it yet. Edit whatever you need to change, then flip it from draft to published when you're ready. That's it. Way easier than rebuilding pages from scratch.